Hello everyone, good morning. This is Amol Vinayak Gadas, Assistant Professor Geography, Universal Groups of Institutions, Bangalore. I welcome you all in Class Plus. So nowadays aspirants they are aspiring for UPSC to be an IS officer, an IPS officer, and to achieve this target, there are different subjects, and geography is one of them. So I would like to help you to by dealing with different important concepts in geography, which will help you to clear your preliminary examination as well as mains examination 2023 UPSC. So, Universal Coaching Center sponsored online platform for all UPSC aspirants, that is Class Plus subject geography. So we will start with today's concept. Today's concept is Trans-Siberian Railway. I hope you might have heard about it. So how Trans-Siberian Railway is one of the largest route in the world. So definitely in history, UPSC has already asked number of questions on the different railway routes, different roadways, then waterways routes, important routes. So Trans-Siberian is also one of them. So we will deal with the first question of the day, Trans-Siberian Railway. What are the questions? So first question is, which of the following is not correct about Trans-Siberian Railway? Which of the following is not correct about Trans-Siberian Railway? So they have given number of sentences. The first sentence is, it runs from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. It runs from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. Sentence number 2 is, it has led to development of settlement in Siberia. Next, C, it is also connected. It is also connected Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Mongolia, China and North Korea. Okay, and last sentence is Volgograd and Kilishev are important stations lies on this route. So these are the 4 sentences. In that they have asked which of the following is not correct about Trans-Siberian Railway. So first of all, before going to start with the explanation, we should see what is actually Trans-Siberian Railway, where it is located. So it is located in Russia. This is Ural Mountains. This is whole Russia, Moscow. So this is one of the largest railway route in the world. That is Trans-Siberian Railway from Moscow to Vladivostok. So first of all, let me tell you this Trans-Siberian Railway is in Russia. Starts from Moscow, means St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. More than 9,200 kilometers in length. So now first sentence is, it runs from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. Definitely the first sentence is correct. Then it has led to the development of settlement in Siberia. Of course, this statement is also true. Why? Because this is a sub part of Russia, which is also called as Siberia. Okay, so because of this route, the adjoining area of Siberia led to the development. Then it is also connected Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Mongolia, China through divergence. So downside, this is the Kazakhstan, this is Mongolia, okay, then Uzbekistan, okay, then somewhere this is China, okay, and this is North Korea and South Korea. So somewhere third sentence is also right. It is also connected Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Mongolia, China and North Korea through divergence. Not directly, but they have some divergence. For example, this is divergent from China. This is divergent to Kazakhstan. This is divergent to Mongolia. And one more thing, don't forget, there is a Lake Baikal, one of the deepest lake in the world, which is more than 5,000 feet deep, lies near Trans-Siberian Railway. And the final statement is Volgograd and Kubyshev are important stations lying on this route. So this is not the correct sentence because this two station does not lie on Trans-Siberian route. So this way, I think if we go in deep and study like this, definitely no one will make a barrier to crack your UPSC examination. So I hope you understood this Trans-Siberian Railway. We will meet in next class, next lecture, next topic. Thank you so much.